y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Neriah. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, period. So as y'all can tell, like, I'm clearly rocking a brand new style, okay? And I do want to give a huge thank you to Junoda hair for sponsoring today's video. I am obsessed with this unit. This unit is so cute. The lights, the highlights on this wig is so cute, and it's just something a little bit out of my element, but I'm really feeling this, y'all. Like, I'm feeling this, okay? So as always with every hair tutorial, you already know, if you are interested, all the information will be in the description box below. And if you want to see me install this wig, this was probably the easiest wig I've ever installed in my entire life, okay? It did not come with any lace to cut off. It was extremely easy to manage, and all I did was really play with the curls and kind of get it to a style that I was really comfortable at. So if you're interested, just continue to keep watching, girl. Like, commenting, and subscribing. And yeah, y'all, until next time, see you later.
Should've seen you was trouble right from the start. Taught me so many lessons, how not to mess with broken hearts. So many questions. When this began, we was the perfect match. Perhaps we had some problems, but we working at it. And now the arguments are getting loud. I wanna stay, but I can't help from walking out. Let's throw it away. Just take my hand and understand. If you could see, I never planned to be a man. It just wasn't me. But now I'm searching for commitment and other arms. I wanna shelter you from harm. Don't be alarmed. Your attitude was the cause. You got me stressing. Soon as I open up the door with your jealous questions, like where could I be? You're killing me with your jealousy. Now my ambitions to be free, I can't breathe. Cause soon as I leave, it's like a trap. I hear you calling me to come back. I'm a sucker for love. That's right, I'm tripping, baby. Sucker for love. A sucker for love. You won't do for love. No, baby. Just when I thought I broke away and I'm feeling happy, you try to trap me, say you're pregnant and guess who's the daddy. Don't wanna fall for it, but in this case, what could I do? So now I'm back to making promises to you, trying to keep it true. What if I'm wrong? A trick to keep me holding on, trying to be strong in the process, keep it going. About to lose my composure, I'm getting close to packing up and leaving notes and getting ghosts. Tell me who knows a peaceful place where I can go to clear my head. I'm feeling low, losing control. My heart is saying leave, or what a tangle where we weave when we conspire to conceive. And now you're getting calls at the house, guess you're cheating. That's all I need to hear, cause I'm leaving. I'm out the door, never no more when you see me. This is the end, cause now I know you've been cheating. I'm a sucker for love. Just for love. Damn, sucker for love. Don't give sucker up for love, baby. Oh yeah, sucker for love. No, baby. Now we left you with scars, tears on your pillow when you still stay. As you sit and pray, hoping the beatings will go away. It wasn't always a hit and run relationship. It used to be love, happiness, and companionship. Remember when I treated you good? I moved you up to the hills, out the ills of the ghetto hood. Me and you, a happy home when it was on. I had a love to call my own. I should have seen you was trouble, but I was lost. Trapped in your eyes, preoccupied with getting tossed. No need to lie, you had a man and I knew it. You told me, don't worry about it, we can do it. Now I'm under pressure, make a decision cause I'm waiting. When I'm alone, I'm on the phone, having secret conversations. I wanna take your misery, replace it with happiness, but I need your faith in me. I'm a sucker for love.